Greetings, my name is Phil Thompson. Thank you for using streamingchurch.tv for all your streaming video needs. We appreciate it. Let's talk about changing the chat language on your streamingchurch.tv video chat platform. Now, this is not a translation thing, interpretation thing. I'll show you here. So you want to go over here to design, branding, scroll all the way down to chat language. So what I'm talking about here, I'll bring over an example here, the little test account. You'll see the tabs are in English here. Chat, who's here, attendee map, Bible, and all that good stuff, right? So what we're going to do is change the language on the tabs. So right now it's in English. Let's go ahead and go to French and click Save Settings. And now I'm going to go back over here to the admin control, actually to the Streaming Church video chat platform. I'm going to refresh it here, just reload it, refresh it, whatever you want to call it. And there you go. The language has changed. Chat's the same, Bible's the same, but you can see these who's online and who's attending and notes and all that stuff. Some of it's very similar. And of course you can change it to English or Portuguese or Espanol, right? Hope that makes sense. And if you have any questions, reach out to us at streamingchurch.tv. I'm Phil Thompson. Have yourself a great day.